Good evening, Mr. Ramakrishna. Today is 22nd October 2024. Your
Yes, sir.
interview is going to be on which date?
So my interview is going to on 25th of October.
Acha, 25th of October. Good, very good. So, in which place? Kolkata?
Yes, sir, Kolkata, in near Park Street region.
Very good, excellent. Can you please tell me about yourself?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. My name is Ramkrishna Shaha. I am an enthusiastic and determined boy. I have done my graduation in geography from at the University of Calcutta. Then I cleared NTA UGC NET examination for 2 times, and currently I am preparing for the banking and insurance related examination. Sir, I am eager learner and constantly striving to upskill myself, and I am confident that my strong academic background and enthusiasm will make me a fitting candidate for this desired position.
In this, should you tell about that lecturership? बोलना है ना क्या क्यों क्या फायदा है
Sir, I think this, sir, for the gap year, sir.
Oh. You are preparing for, but now what happened? You have passed that or not?
No, sir, I am appearing for this examination and I got 99.84 percentile, but I couldn't get the fellowship. Therefore, I didn't join the
You
research
have
program, sir.
to mention that. Then only it is complete. Otherwise, why are
Okay,
you telling about it? That is a
okay,
question.
sir. Therefore, I didn't mention that line.
No, no, you did not mention that. I could not get. Uh, since I could not get fellowship, I stopped trying for that, and now I'm trying for bank jobs. You should
Okay,
tell
sir.
like that.
Okay, sir. I will manage this. Okay.
Ramakrishna. You are from which place actually?
Sir, I am from Malda, West Bengal.
Acha. Please tell me about your family.
My family consists of four members. My father is a businessman. My mother is initially a homemaker, but right now she accompanies my father in his business, and my brother who studies in class 8.
Mhm. Good. Now, which bank do you have an account?
Sir, I have an account in SBI, State Bank of India.
Good. Now, please tell me what is the difference between State Bank of India and Federal Bank?
Sir, in a broadly term, the State Bank of India is a public commercial bank. On the other hand, Federal Bank is a private commercial bank. And if I say to the holding capital, the State Bank of India is holding capital near about 7.17 trillion. On the other hand, the Federal Bank capital is near about 450 crore rupees, 450
No,
lakh
no.
crore rupees.
Billion,
Billion, yes,
475
sir,
billion.
billion rupees, sir. Yes, sir, billion
Capitalize,
rupees.
not capital, it is market capitalization,
Market capital.
not capital. Capital is somewhere around 417 crores or something like that only. But market capitalization is this much because it is multiplied by the share price. Please check up that. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah, good. Um, Now you are from Kolkata. How many branches of Federal Bank are there now in West Bengal? You have any idea?
Yes, sir. There are total 35 branches in West Bengal, including Kolkata, Durgapur, Siliguri, in that region.
Oh, acha, very good. Are you willing to be posted anywhere in West Bengal?
Yes, sir, definitely. As per the requirement of the job, I am definitely to join anywhere in the India because, sir, in notification there is said that this recruitment is the pan-India process. Therefore, I am happily to do that job in anywhere in the country.
Excellent. That's good. Now, how will you market, say, 100 savings bank accounts within 1 week?
Yes, sir. First of all, I will, for this opening 100 such savings account, I will add up some strategies here. First of all, my strategies are the door-to-door marketing strategy. You will go to the marketplaces near about the branches and say the business owner that if you open the branches with our federal bank, this will be beneficial for your. And also, I will convince some of the college and school authorities to do such account students account with our bank, because in recent times some of the direct beneficial transfer is for the students for the fellowship is come through the account. In that way I will manage to open hundreds of account in 1 week. And also I will also marketing through my social pages like Instagram pages and WhatsApp status. And also I will urge my related relatives and the family friends to open such account in that week. In a way I will manage 100 such account in upcoming weeks, sir.
What skills are required for becoming a successful officer in Federal Bank?
Yes, sir. I think the first and foremost thing the officer should have the empathy, a quick learner, hardworking person, and enjoying the shouldering the higher responsibilities and problem solving with the development of a proper strategy and proper time management skill as well as the creative thinking skills, sir.
Good. Now, can you think of any achievement made by you in the recent past, apart from passing this Federal Bank examination? Please tell me any other achievements you could make during your college or after that.
Yes, sir. As I have mentioned that I have done my post graduation from University of Calcutta, and during that time I have ranked third in the whole university, and second I appeared for the NTA UGC NET examination, and in that examination I got 99.84 percentile. And the third thing I have mentioned that I am the school captain during my school time, and the last year of the IBPS examination, I have cleared IBPS prelims and sit for the IBPS mains, sir. These are the achievements that I taken in the recent past time, sir.
Good, not bad. Now, mm, what do you know about banking industry now? What is the situation in which it is there? What are the ideas that comes to your mind when somebody says banking industry? Then what are the things that comes to your mind?
Okay, sir. A bank is a financial institution that is licensed to receive deposit and making loan. According to the 5B of Banking Regulation Act 1949, the term banking is described as accepting the money for the purpose of lending or investment of deposits from the public, and it is repayable on demand or withdrawable with the help of check or order or otherwise. And banking is an integral part of the financial system of the respective country. And also banking is the backbone of businesses in the past as well as in the present. And banking is the another significant that the whole economy stand as a whole economy's backbone is a banking industry, sir. And bank serves the different type of services like core banking services and para banking services.
No, you don't. Acha, acha. Bank gives para banking services and regular banking services like deposit
Receiving
mobilization
deposit and making
advances.
loan.
Of course, for doing that, they are using core banking is a facility that is given for all, I mean, for people to transact from any other branch of the bank. But
Bank,
that has
yes.
now come to stay. That has now come to stay. So there is no point in mentioning about that. Every bank is adopting core banking solution. So that
Okay,
is
sir.
not a, yeah, simply say they do not, besides the regular banking services, they also do para banking
Parabanking services.
services. Tell me
Okay,
what
sir.
are para banking services?
Parabanking services are those type of services other than the general transactions like receive deposit and making loans. In the parabanking services, banks generally do different type of investing, wealth management, canvassing their insurance product, safe deposit box, currency exchange, and many more things bank do in the parabanking service sectors.
Good. Do you know what is meant by doorstep banking? सुना है इसका बारे में?
Yes, sir. Doorstep banking means that the any representative of the bank is going to the door to door and asks the customer to open a bank account with the bank. This is called the
No,
doorstep
no,
banking.
no. That is door-to-door canvassing. That is door-to-door canvassing. Doorstep banking means nowadays banks are sending their representative to the houses or offices of the people whose age is 70 years and above, so that they need not visit the branch, and their requirements will be done by the representative by visiting the branch, say like issue of checkbook, or say receiving cash or making payment of cash up to certain limits. All this is done through this arrangement, for which separate service charges are levied by the bank.
Okay, sir. Only
Perhaps
for
you are
seniors
not aware, only for 70 years and above.
70 years of
Please
old.
go through
Okay,
that. And also for
okay,
execution of life certificate. Now is the season of life certificate, November. Life certificate to be given for pensioners of central government. Okay.
okay, sir. I learned, sir.
Yeah, you will have to learn about it. Doorstep banking. Okay. Now, can you please talk to me about what is your idea regarding CASA deposits?
Yes, sir. CASA means current account and saving account deposit. And banks generally offer to open current account and savings account deposit because it is the main source of the fund of the bank, and banks did not provide to a greater return. In the case of the current account, banks generally provide any type of interest on that. And in the case of the savings account, banks generally provide, in the case of the federal bank, banks provide 3% of the interest rate, which is compared to much lesser than the term deposit like the FDs or RDs. Therefore, banks are more willing to open this type of account there because of the less transaction charge and more market capitalization, sir.
Hmm. What is the news about BRICS summit?
No, sir, I didn't recall, sir.
This is the latest news.
No, sir, I didn't recall it, sir, right now, sir.
Hmm. Yeah. So, Prime Minister is going to Russia for attending this BRICS summit. The leaders of BRICS, a group of emerging market nations that represent about half of the world's population, will meet for a high profile summit on Tuesday, today, uh, their first since major expansion last year. BRICS stands for Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. This year, the group has expanded to include Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, and the United Arab Emirates. The members will gather for the 3 day conference in Kazan, a city in southwest Russia. The summit comes at a high profile moment for BRICS, which sees itself as a counterweight to the West. World leaders will stand by side with President Vladimir Putin of Russia despite his pariah status in the West. But there are deep differences between member states, and the bloc has struggled to articulate and define its purpose. You need to know what is BRICS, what holds the group together, what does Global East want, what does Global South want, what does China want. This is the map. This is the map. This is Brazil here, India here, China here, Egypt, Ethiopia, South Africa, etc. So they have all. So please go through this. I have given the link for this in our WhatsApp group. Just now I have given.
Yes, sir. I see it,
ये
sir.
पूरा पढ़ना है, पूरा पढ़ के आप मन में रखना है. समझ गया?
Okay, sir. Okay. I learned, sir.
Yeah. What are the current affair news you are remembering now?
Yes, sir. The first and foremost thing I remembering that the our Chief Justice of India, that is D.Y. Chandrachud, is recommended the next Chief Justice, that is the Sir Sanjeev Khanna,
Yeah.
and next Omar Abdullah is now the Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister, and also the RBI approves the Partho Sengupta as new CEO of Indian CEO of Bandhan Bank. And sir,
Hmm.
also, yes, sir. And
Partho
sir,
Sengupta. Yeah. Good,
yes,
good.
sir, Partha Sengupta. And sir, recently our Prime Minister Narendra Modi launches the Karma Yogi Sapath,
Hmm.
and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, sir. It is the 14 Maharatna company has now, and in the before the sir few days, New Zealand cricket women's cricket team wins the Women's Champions Trophy. And sir, in the today yesterday's news, there was a news that India's growth story, that is RBI mentioned that it is estimated around 7.2 percentage GDP for 2024 and 25.
Hmm. Now, what is the name of the cyclone that is coming to West Bengal now?
Yes, sir. Sir, it is Dana.
Dana. I think it is expected to cross West Bengal or Orissa when? Today is
It's
23. You know,
22, sir.
20. Today is 22. Acha, acha. ठीक है.
Today is 22, and
When?
IMD sir expected that the landfall is going on in the 24 to 25, 24 night to 25 morning.
Acha. So the subject you studied is also more or less similar to geology means what? You studied geology or geography?
Yes, sir, geography.
Geography. Oh, so geography. Yeah, excellent. Now, any other points you would like to ask? Any doubts?
No, sir.
As it is, okay, very good. Best
Yes.
wishes. Go and attend the interview with confidence. Update your knowledge regarding current affairs. Go through newspapers. Discuss with others also. And
Okay, sir.
try to score good marks. Best wishes.
Sir, how you rate this interview, sir?
You
This
are a
mock
very good
interview.
candidate. You are. I have been telling you. You are doing